Is your 2D Canvas app lagging? Chrome hides a setting that can double your rendering speed. Here is how to unlock it. If you have ever tried to build a 2D game or a drawing app in the browser, you know the struggle. You write your code, hit run, and everything just feels sluggish. It stutters, the frame rate drops, and you start wondering if your computer is fast enough or if your code is the problem. But here is the thing. Chances are, it is neither. Chrome has a built-in feature that can hand off all that heavy canvas work to your graphics card, and it is turned off by default. That is what we are going to fix today. All right, so here is the plan. We are going to access Chrome's experimental flags page, find the setting called Accelerated 2D Canvas, flip it on, and then relaunch the browser. That is it, just 3 simple steps. So let us jump into it. First, you need to open Google Chrome. Go ahead and launch it like you normally would. Any version of Chrome will work here, whether you are on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Just make sure you have it running and ready to go. All right, now for the fun part. Look up at the address bar, the same place where you type in a web address. I want you to click inside that bar and type the following: Chrome://flags. So that is CHROME://FLAGS. Hit enter. Now, do not be alarmed by what you see. This is Chrome's hidden laboratory. It is where Google lets you test out experimental features before they are officially released. Everything looks a little technical in here, but I promise we are only touching one thing. So here is the next step. Once that flags page loads, you will see a search bar at the top. It literally says Search Flags. Click on that and type Accelerated 2D Canvas. That is ACCELERATEDA space 2D space Canvas. As you type, you will see the page filter down and highlight a single result. Accelerated 2D Canvas. And right next to it, there will be a drop-down menu. That drop-down is currently set to default, and the default, as I mentioned, is off. So that is why your 2D Canvas apps and games have been feeling slow. Now for the key change. Click on that drop-down. You will see a few options like Default, Enabled, and Disabled. Go ahead and select Enabled. That is all you have to do. By selecting Enabled, you're telling Chrome to use your computer's graphics processing unit, your GPU, to handle all the 2D Canvas rendering. Instead of doing all the math on your main processor, the GPU takes over. And GPUs are way better at this kind of parallel drawing work. The difference is immediate and dramatic. So once you have picked Enabled from the list, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a blue button that says Relaunch. Click that. Chrome will close itself and reopen automatically in just a few seconds. That is fine. Let it do its thing. When it comes back, you are good to go. There is no confirmation pop-up, no extra steps. You are done. From here on out, every 2D Canvas app or game you run in Chrome will render using hardware acceleration. That means smoother animations, higher frame rates, and way less lag. If you are building something with Canvas, you will notice the difference right away. It feels like the browser is finally keeping up with what you were trying to do. And that is the whole goal, right? This is the kind of tweak that makes you wonder why it is not on by default. But performance tuning is part of what we do at RenderTest, and finding these hidden gems is exactly how we help folks get the most out of their hardware. So go ahead, give it a try. Fire up your project and watch how smooth it gets. You will be glad you did.